Hi, my name is Nicole. Welcome to my channel, Travel to Money. In this video, I'm going to share about two online side hustles that are new for me. I've started both of them within the last month or two, and I started making money from both of them right away. I feel like these are the kind of side hustles that most people are really looking for, so I'm excited to share everything I've learned so far. If you are new here, I have created this channel to help you learn about how to travel, adventure, and have fun on the road to financial independence. I have traveled the world, I own a couple of houses in Spain, and I'm on a creative journey to financial independence. I believe the road to financial freedom can and should be fun. I hope you'll subscribe and join me on this journey no matter where you are starting from. I am like the side hustle queen. I've done everything from starting this YouTube channel to trying a laundry service to driving for Uber to affiliate marketing to starting an Etsy shop to selling used items online and running my own vacation rental side hustles too. You name it and I've probably tried it. For the most part, especially in the remote work field or in the creator universe, everything has such a long on-ramp. I've been doing this YouTube channel for over 2 years now and I just got monetized a couple of months ago. To this point, I've made around $50. So based on the investment of my time, I've made about a penny an hour. Now, that's not to say that it won't pay off in bigger ways one day, but it's not exactly something you can start and then go quit your job a couple of months later. When it comes to online work, it seems like the investment of time up front is always massive. Then there are things like Uber, delivery jobs, selling things online, and let's just be real, those options can be great if you need to make money today, but they are still in exchange for your time, and they aren't going to build you passive income in the long run, or at least provide an opportunity for you to work remotely and travel. All of those reasons are why I'm really excited about these two side hustles that I've just recently started. The first one I'll talk about is an online job that you can do from anywhere in the world, and it is still in exchange for your time, but it can provide a ton of flexibility. The second side hustle I'm going to tell you about is in the creator space and has completely blown my mind. So let's talk about number one. Due to contractual agreements, I don't believe I'm allowed to say the name of the company in my videos, but there is a company that basically gets warm leads for travel bookings. You log in from your computer or laptop with a headset and you take calls for people who want to make a booking. This job does not pay an hourly wage, but is a straight commission. I met someone recently who told me about how she hadn't done much, but she worked 3 hours and made over $80. I decided to sign up for it. I had to record a video of myself answering a question, and then I had to fill out application information. It was pretty straightforward. As long as you are able to read a short script professionally, I think it was all pretty easy. A few days later, I was approved. From there, you have to complete a training, which takes an hour or so. After you pass the training, you can log into the system anytime, day or night, and begin taking calls. And sure enough, people call and all you do is help them to complete a booking. Now, on my first go, I didn't do as well as the person who had told me about it, but I did make a sale, which I made about $10 off of. The cool thing about this job is that you can work as little or as much as you like. Want to do it full-time? No problem. Want to do it part-time to make some extra income? No problem. Want to do it at 2 o'clock in the morning? No problem. It is super flexible. I took my first calls while I was in Spain, so yes, you can literally do it from anywhere in the world as long as you have a good internet connection. It even works fine with Wi-Fi, though they do prefer it if you use an Ethernet connection. They also offer coaching and training sessions each week that will help you develop your sales skills. I'm not someone who particularly loves sales, but these really are warm leads, and it's not difficult to help someone complete a booking. Considering how hard it can be to find good remote jobs, I think this is a great opportunity if you really want to do something remote. You can live pretty well in parts of Southeast Asia or South America for just $10 or $15 a day. So if you only wanted to take calls for a couple of hours each day, I think you could make this work. Now, like I said, I can't say specifics here, but I can refer up to 10 people a month. So if you are interested in this job, email me at info@traveltomoney.com and I will send you some referral information. If I get more than 10 requests, I will add you to a waiting list for the following months, and it will always be first come, first served. Okay, now let's talk about side hustle number two. I still can't really believe this. It seems too good to be true. I recently signed up for the Amazon Influencer Program. No, this is not the same as becoming an Amazon affiliate. It's different. So before you think, well, I'm not an influencer, let me just tell you that you don't have to be famous. A friend of mine who isn't an influencer at all was just able to get into the program just because she has a couple thousand followers on TikTok from one video that she posted a few years ago. From what I can tell, the barrier to entry is having around 1,000 to 2,000 followers on either YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook. Now, if you don't have that, I want you to keep listening because this is so good that it would be worth it for you to spend a couple of months building an audience in order to make this happen. Okay, so what exactly is an Amazon influencer? Well, the coolest thing about this is that you never have to post anything for the purpose of sharing with your audience, although you can also do that if you want to. The main way that I've seen this making money for people is through review videos. This is how it works. Let's say you own a tube of toothpaste. If that toothpaste is sold on Amazon, you can make a review video about it. You can review it even if you didn't originally buy it on Amazon. Then, when someone is on Amazon shopping and they look up that toothpaste, if they watch your review video and then buy the product and other products they add after that, you get a commission on the sale of those products. I first watched a guy about a month ago on a YouTube video. He just started in December and he's made a few hundred videos by now, and he is already making over $5,000 per month. That's insane. I literally applied for the program while I was still watching his video and I got approved instantly. Now, my largest following is on Instagram, so I used that for my application. I've heard that other people with smaller followings may take a bit longer to be approved. Now, once you're approved for the program, then you have to go through the process of getting your first 3 videos approved. Generally speaking, Amazon will use AI to review your videos to make sure that they meet their content guidelines. For example, they want to make sure you're not giving medical advice or doing things like using profanity. And they use AI to monitor this. But for your first 3 videos, you have to wait for them to be approved by a human, so this may take a little longer. Some people have said that they waited weeks. For me, it took 2 to 3 days, so it wasn't bad. After that, I kept loading my earnings page every day and I didn't see any money coming in. About a week later, I was fiddling with the Amazon page when I realized that for the influencer program, they had given me a new Amazon earnings number. I had been looking at my old affiliate number that I don't really use that often. When I changed it to the new one, I was shocked to see that I had earned over $40 in my first week. Now, I know that's not exactly earth-shattering, but when you keep in mind that I've only made about $50 in my first 2.5 years with YouTube, you can understand why I'd be excited to have made $40 in just my first week on Amazon. And the other crazy thing was that I had only created about 15 to 20 videos. I started all of this in Spain, so I only had so many products with me that I could review. To give you a little update, now I've completed about 50 review videos. Only about 30 of them have started to get views on Amazon, and I've already made my first $100, and I'm just over 2 weeks into this. At this rate, I'm already making $200 per month, and I've barely gotten started. The cool thing is that while you make new videos, your old videos continue to make money for you. Honestly, I've never seen something so simple with such earning potential. Here are a few other things to know about the program. First, commissions are paid out after 60 days. The reason for this is that customers have an opportunity to return the product, and if they do, you also lose the commission. On your earnings page, there is a graph that shows how many clicks you received each day and then how much your earnings were for each day. You can click on the specific date if you want to see which products were sold that day. Second, Amazon pays different amounts for each category. Some categories may only earn you a 1% commission, where other categories will earn you a 4% commission. They have a table that you can read that shows what the commission rates are for each category. Third, being an Amazon influencer isn't just about videos, though that is the main way that I've seen influencers bring in income. There is also a section where you can create idea lists and another one where you can add photos. I'm not sure exactly how the commissions work for those, but I'll be playing with that more and will let you know what I learn about it. I have seen several very small YouTubers who are now making between $3,000 and $5,000 per month with the Amazon Influencer Program, so I do think it has a ton of potential. It could be really easy to run and put all of your eggs in this basket, and maybe you should. For me, all of these creator streams seem like they can be changed at a moment's notice, so I think it's important to diversify. It would be pretty bad if you decided to quit your job because you were doing well on Amazon, only to find that they end up changing the program a few months later. Hopefully, it's here for the long run. I also want to add one more note. If you're going to do this, make sure your reviews are trustworthy. Don't say that something is good if it isn't. Be honest in your reviews and gain the trust of the audience. Okay, well, I'd love to know what you think about these two side hustles. They've been pretty significant to me, so I hope they help you too. Do me a favor, like this video and subscribe to join me every day where travel and adventure build financial freedom. I can't wait to see where your dreams will take you.